Hello everyone, welcome back to Technosankalp Solutions, where we learn electronics, Arduino and real world projects step by step. In today's video, we are going to learn our fourth activity, which is interface of 16:2 LCD display with Arduino. Components required for this activity are Arduino Uno board, LCD 16:2 display and some jumper wires. Now let's understand the code and connection. In LCD 16:2 display, which has 4 pins, we are using I2C. So ground is connected to ground, VCC is connected to 5 volt, SDA is connected to SDA and SCL is connected to SCL. Now let's move to the code. First we will include the library, #include LiquidCrystal.h library. And first select the board and port of the Arduino software and then upload the code. And after uploading the code, we will see the output. The code link is given in the description box. As you can see, the LCD is clearly displaying our message. This is how we can use an LCD to communicate with user in any Arduino project. If you understand and enjoyed this video, please like, share and comment to our channel Technosankalp Solutions for more Arduino, IoT and electronics tutorials. Thank you for watching.